Hello guys, welcome to your own channel Chess Radio Kolkata. Now this is the second part of the beginner lesson. Please watch my first part. Now pawn from the first rank, like a pawn is on the second rank and the 7th rank of the board. So you can move the pawn 1 square or you can move the pawn 2 square as you like from the first rank. And after first rank, pawn can be moved only 1 square and pawn is captured by the diagonally. Remember that on the next file he captured the pawn diagonally. Now knight, bishops are along with the diagonals, rooks are with the straight square. Now as it is goes, it is captured. As it is goes, it is captured. As it is goes, it is captured. That is called the fork. You can see king is captured the bishop. Now you can see the knight. This knight is forking the king and the bishop. That's called the fork. Okay, and that is check. Straight a check to the king, blocking the check. That is castle, the long side castle. Now how do you write it? Now just before starting let me tell you that pawn, P-A-W-N, pawn is denoted as the squares. Like this pawn is on the B7 square. Yes, correct. Now this pawn moves to the B8 square. That is B8 square. Okay. Now this rook is on the G7 square. Now it is moved to the G8 square. So it is denoted as RGH, R as in rook. But pawn doesn't have any name for that. Now knight is denoted as N. Bishop is denoted as B. Queen is denoted as Q. And the king is denoted as K. This knight on the B5 square, now it jumps to the D6 square. This queen on the G5 square, this queen goes to D2 square. This king is on the G3 square and it goes to G4 square. Write in the comment below. When pawn moves to the large square, that is the 8th square, pawn can be promoted in queen, bishop, knight, rook. You can choose by yourself that which piece you want to create. Like queen is the most powerful piece, so we develop the queen. Okay. You can also develop it as a knight. As a rook, as a bishop. Okay, now someone asking me that what is E4, D4, F4, C4. Let me show you. Now look at on the board. This square is denoted as A. This is called the file. Now these total 8 square are under the A file. That is called the A file. Similar as that is B file, similar as C file, similar as D file, E file, F file, G file, H file. Now look at on the H file, there is written as 1. What is 1? 1 is the rank. Yes, 1 total. This is the 1, number 1. All 8 square at the 1, all 8 square at the 2. That is 3, that is 4, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the conclusion? That is 8 and that is on the A file. So this is A8. First come the letter, then the number. This is A8. Now this is A7, A6, A5, A4, A3, A2, A1. How do you know this is A1? Now you can see there is A written as over there and the rank is written over there 1. So that is A1. Okay, so similar as that is H1, that is G1, that is F1, E1, D1. Okay, so that is H1, that is H8. Okay, that is A8, that is H8, that is B8, C8, D8, E8, F8, G8, 8H. Okay, now tell me what is this square? This square belongs to the C file, so definitely it's a C come first, then it's 4, C4. Now what is this? This is E6. What is this? This is C7. Now what is this? This is F8. This is A5 and this is F3. Now always remember, like F2 square is the weakest square for the white side, so black should attack on the F2 square, and F7 square is the weakest square for the black, so white must attack on the F7 square. Okay, and this is the center, 4 square of the center, so that is D4, D5, E4, E5. Okay, D4, D5, E4, E5, E4, E5, D5, D4. I hope you understand, guys. Okay, now we are start recording our first game. So that is E4, E5. You can see, just look at on the corner, guys. Just look at on the corner. You can see. Now that is Bishop C4. That is Knight C6. Now Knight F3, Knight F6, Knight G5, D5. Now E into D5, Knight A5, Bishop B5 check, Bishop blocking the check. Now just Bishop capture Bishop on D7 check, Queen capture D7. Short castle, Knight captures D5, C4, Knight F6,